Okay, so having passed the Halo Reservoir, I'm coming up to another one called what? Trape Threipmuir Reservoir. So yes, this is another one. So the idea is to walk around on the path and see if I can find wild garlic. There are different routes going elsewhere. So there's a right turn that takes me back um, down the hill, probably to Barlerno. Or if I turn left, I go further into the Pentlands in the hilly area. So I'm going to take a left turn and then see what that results in. Right, so I'm on my way to Threipmuir Reservoir. So I'll have to go this way. So let me hold on to my phone so it doesn't fall off into the water and down the way. Hiya. So Harlaw. So Harlaw, I'm coming from Harlaw. There's a let me check this one. Black Springs. Oh, I see now. It's Black Springs. If I turn left, I go to Black Springs. Yeah. And Trentmore is going right. Okay. So it's this way. I've got a choice to make. Okay, I'll go left. Black Spring it is. I'll go this way first and I can turn back later. So, gosh, I'm so close to the hill. The I call it the contour hill with all the patterns. It must be for agricultural purposes. So the vehicle can drive along. So, let me see. Hiya. So here's another woodland. So I cannot see any sign of wild garlic on this side so far. Let me go around further. I'm wondering if I'm in the wrong area for wild garlic. It's a hit and miss sometimes. Sometimes you gamble that there's wild garlic and then you don't stumble on any. And there are other times when I'm just walking, just rambling about and just stumble upon it. So there must be a turn off to the left at some point. This region is vast, I'm telling you. Oh, right. Let me see. Yeah, there's a turn off coming up on the left. But I don't know if it's taking me into it seems as if it's leading into a field. That's not good. Probably right turn then. Oh, it's a farmer's house. So I think this way can take me back to one of the reservoir. Gosh, everything is branching off. I didn't expect this. Let me just gamble here. Okay, I'm not going to turn off, veer off to the left. I'm going to keep right and see where it leads me. Here's a nice bit of woodland coming up, I think. So today I'm just exploring what seemed to be a vast area. Just look. So, okay. Alright. Here's a nice Velson arch. Is that shape, that curve? I call it a Velson arch. Or Vilson. It's quite beautiful. Now let's see what's underneath. Where is the wild garlic? So far it have been evading me. It's nice and cool. Right. It seemed to take, it seemed like the lock goes all the way around. It seemed that way, I don't know. It seemed like it goes all that way. I'm just guessing because it seems as if I'm going around in a circle. I suppose this area is very thick with grass. But there is no wild leek or wild garlic. Interesting. Go in and see. Wow, this seems to go far. I wonder if I'm gambling wrong. Because how far around does it go? This place is huge. Alright. Maybe I'll just turn back and check by Threipmuir instead. Just finish this bit. Wow. But these places are just awesome for exercise and for relaxation. Not relax. Well, I guess if the weather is nice and warm, you just sit on the grass, have a picnic. Some people actually swim in the reservoir, and then you've seen some anglers fishing, possibly for trout. But sometimes I think the signpost stuff where it's very dangerous for people to venture in the water. So one have to be careful. Now, let's see where this path takes me. Just turn it off. Okay, so earlier on I was on my way to Black Springs, but it seems as if it's all bare. Maybe if I'd gone further around, I would have stumbled upon green, but I want to believe that I could go and follow the path to Threipmuir and see if it takes me to areas where there's wild garlic or wominji. Now I'm crossing over an area that they said it's dangerous because it can flood. And when you have excess water, it's not allowed for people to cross. I think they'll close the gate. So here's the sign. So the slipway is designed for the water to run off nicely, which is not available for people to cross, especially when you have loads of water during wet weather or rainy season. Well, actually, every every time throughout the year is rainy season for the UK, and if not rain, it's snow during winter. So it can be any week during any month. So it's open at the moment, so I'm able to cross. Alternatively, I guess if we had heavy rain, I would have walked up that path, which is nice. So there are alternative route. There's an alternative route that lead back to the car park or to where I'm coming from. Okay, now let's see where this leads. Trust me, I have no idea where I'm going. I'm just stepping forward by faith that the little green things will be around here somewhere. Seems as if I'm heading further and further away from civilization into the farming district along the Pentlands. So it's a nice day for this type of walk. When it's drenching, it's not ideal. I wouldn't have enjoyed, but the sun is out, it's not too cold, and everybody seemed happy. So this road go way ahead. I don't know how far, but I guess as far as you can see the hills, you might probably have walkway to along them. So all these hills will have walkways. So I know that it probably miles ahead before there's a cutoff point. But I'm going to go down this route and see if I can come up on a nice open space where you have loads of trees and river passing by, and see if there's a difference in finding wild garlic and wild leek. Here, there's nothing. It's just grass and few trees along the loch.